Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this video I will show you how to add a permanent signature and logo to your Gmail account. A great way to personalize your emails and keep your contact info consistent in every message. Let's go through it step by step. First, launch Gmail on your desktop. Now move to the top right corner and click the gear icon. That's your settings button. Once the drop down appears, choose See All Settings to open the full settings panel. Next, scroll down the General tab until you spot the section labeled Signature. Here, click the Create New button. You'll be prompted to give your signature a name. Pick something descriptive, especially if you plan to create more than one for different users. Once named, a rich text editor will appear where you can now enter your signature details. Type in whatever you like to include. For example, your name, job title, company name, phone number, or website. Make sure the text is clean, professional, and easy to read. To insert your logo, look for the small image icon in the editor toolbar and click on it. From the pop-up, select Google Drive to upload or choose your logo image. Click upload, then browse your computer to locate the logo file. Once selected, it will appear in your signature editor. Now, take a moment to adjust the logo placement and size. It should align neatly with your text without looking too large or out of place. Once everything looks good, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. These final steps ensures your signature and logo are saved and automatically applied to every new email you compose. Remember, Gmail allows you to create different signatures for different situations. You can switch between them easily while composing emails. Perfect for separating personal, business, or project-based communications. And that's it, guys. You have now created a professional branded email signature with your logo in Gmail. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.